we present the new Self-Cooking Centre. The Self-Cooking Centre is the most intelligent of its kind. It grills, it roasts, it bakes, it steams, and it does so more efficiently than all its predecessors, with reduced use of raw materials and lower cooking loss, and always with top food quality. The patented high-density control regulates the uniform and efficient distribution of air, humidity, and heat in the cooking chamber. It allows food preparation on a single rack basis with consistent quality, even in large quantities. iCooking Control prepares the food exactly as you want it. It recognizes the size and load size, and even the condition of the product, and then determines the ideal cooking process. It thinks ahead and informs you of every step in the preparation, how it cooks, and when it makes which decisions. Supported by our 40 years of cooking experience, always according to regional preferences and in the local language. Eye-level control allows efficient mixed loading with maximum food quality. It will show you which dishes can be cooked together, senses the cooking chamber conditions, and intelligently corrects the cooking time. This saves time, space, and energy. Each rack is illuminated with energy-saving LED lamps. The flash will show you which dishes are ready and can be taken out. The new triple glazing with its heat-reflective coating also ensures reduced heat losses during food preparation, and the cleanability guarantees a perfect view for a long time. Oh yes, about the cleaning. The appliance does it itself, as always, quite simply overnight. Efficient care control recognizes the degree of dirt and limescale and adjusts the cleaning stage. As always, we focus on you. With a single appliance that is changing the world, the Rational Self-Cooking Centre. Always with the appropriate size.